What can politicians teach us about marketing? Well, on the face of it, probably very little. So we've just had an election here in the UK. There's a presidential election coming up in the States this year. I don't have any political biases. I don't have any allegiance to anyone, just to be clear. I'm not going one way or the other with this. What I'm interested in is looking at how they run their marketing campaigns, because that is basically all they're doing. They're running a campaign to get our vote. Now, in this case, the vote is a cross on a piece of paper. But in our case, as business owners and marketing people within businesses, the vote is getting people to pay for our products or services. And so just like in politics, we want to be able to tell people how we can help them. People will listen to us when they feel that they're being listened to. So when it comes to your marketing videos and the content that you're putting out, it's really important to show people that you are listening to them, that you understand them, you understand their needs, their worries, their fears and everything. And just like politics, we want people to listen to us so that we can tell them how we could help them and we can get their vote in the form of them buying from us. And just like politics, people will listen to us when they feel like they're being listened to. Those are the people that get elected in politics, and those are the people that win business and sell services and products. So it's really important when you're making videos and putting your content out there that you show people that you're listening to them, and you can do this by addressing their problems, addressing their worries, their fears, and actually engaging with them on your social platforms as well. Make it clear that you're listening to people and you're making content for them. They'll then be happy to listen to you, and you'll then get the chance to tell them about how your products and services can help them. So the main lesson from politics is simple. Make sure that you're listening to people and that they can see that you're listening to them and that you understand them. Then you'll get the opportunity to present them with your compelling solution, and hopefully they'll come and vote for you in the form of buying your product or service.